Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn ascending order and descending order. When we arrange the numbers from lowest to highest, that is known as ascending order. For example, in this group, 1 is the lowest number and 9 is the highest number. When we arrange the numbers from highest to lowest, that is known as descending order. In this group, 9 is the highest number and 1 is the lowest number. Now we take some example. Put the number in ascending order. In ascending order, we put the lowest number first. So in this group, 5 is the lowest number. After that, we take higher number. 13 is higher from 5. After that, 18, 21, 22, 35 and in the last the highest number 40. Put the number in descending order. In descending order, we put the number highest first. In this group, the highest number is 50. So, 50, 37, 31, 29, 17, 12 and in the last the lowest number 8.